Hey Tom Fam. So we've got another parcel to open. It's another sensory bag.
That's so bad.
I got the two girls here today. And the Belvita cookie. Yum, yum, yum. Plus, those Belvita cookies with chocolate filling are dairy free. Just FYI.
Oh my, barely though.
What's going to be in the bag?
We got
Oh,
a blue, green, orange, and a white.
these are those
squishy
new
ball.
glow globes I've heard about, I think. Anyone want to comment down below if these are glow globes, if you've heard of those?
And
I'll try that out. I'll try and get these to charge up tonight and then try and glow in the dark later on.
so there's a simple dimple, but has 3.
Oh, a keyring
Okay,
simple
simple
dimple.
Here's a good little mochi.
A moochie. Oh, you look lovely.
And we have these finger rings.
Oh, wow. They look epic. They are stretchy.
You roll them up and down your finger.
Oh, you roll them up and down your finger. Those are
So-
great. Comment down below if you've got some of these as well at home.
Look at my Velveeta.
Okay, what else have we got?
I've got these monkeys. doing
Oh,
things.
yes, the stretchy rubber things.
And
I
then
love these.
I always.
These are epic.
I always.
Oh, it's a huge puppet.
I always forget the name of these toys. So
Marble mesh.
Marble mesh.
Comment down below
There's
if you call them
yellow,
something
green,
else.
blue, or red.
Comment down below if you call them something else.
Because Holly's keeping the pineapple one for her birthday. Can I have this one for my birthday?
Absolutely. Set it aside for yourself. Anything
Mum,
else in
can
the bag?
Mum, can you get me one of those for my birthday too?
I'll do my absolute best. You never know what's coming from the postman. Anything else?
But I want one of those.
Okay, anything else?
I want one of those.
Anything else in the bag?
There's another mochi.
Another
A koala or a
moochie.
doggy.
Comment down below if you also call them moochies.
I'm a fish.
Oh, that is so cute. And another, what's that track called? Magic track?
Wacky
Wacky
track.
track.
And then we've got the same wacky track, but it's just orange.
Orange and
And blue.
blue.
And then we got a
And a
little
moochie.
pig. That pig.
And I
comment-
see something else in Holly's
Let me
hand.
see.
Comment down below if that's a pig.
I think it's a little bit. Yeah, that looks like a pig.
Okay, and we
And
got a
then
bike
a bike
chain, finally, of our very own. Okay, right. It's time to say goodnight. Bye.
Bye.